Hey y'all, I recently discovered the most beautiful loose wave hair on Amazon and it was so affordable. The best hair I've purchased off Amazon in a very long time, so I decided to do a detailed beginner friendly side part quick weave for you guys. And if you're interested in how I got this beautiful look for under $150, stay tuned.
We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that way, babe. Come one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt energy of sunrise.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel on behalf of Britt. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Brittany, and as y'all see by the title, the thumbnail, all of that, I am doing a quick weave in my hair today using some Amazon bundles. I'm a little nervous because Amazon has good hair, but you gotta really do research to dig up a good vendor. And then the times that I have found good hair, I probably have gotten one or two good uses out of the good hair before it starts shedding and acting out. So I'm trying a brand new vendor this time. They had really good reviews, but the thing is they sell different curl patterns, and a lot of the people that was reviewing the hair didn't really specify whether or not they got the curl pattern I got or one of the other ones. So they sell loose wave, body wave, and like a deep wave. And I got loose wave here. I want like a loose romance curl. I'll pop up the vendor on the screen along with the hair, how it's supposed to look, how it comes. I'm about to unbox the hair for you guys. Of course, y'all will see all of that, how it came, what comes with it. Fresh out the packaging, but I just wanted to come and welcome the video. I already braided my hair down. I just had it tied up because I had to run outside. But I did some big braids, y'all. I'm not perfect with braiding my own hair. Excuse my edges, excuse all of that. But I'm going for like a deep side part. I'm taking my little... And I'm about to do my quick weave for you guys. I have this pack of bonding caps. I got this off of Shein, y'all. I'm going to take two and pop them on my head. And we're going to get started. Do they have them 2x2 or how many is this? Oh, this is already two. Perfect. So I ain't even gotta merge them together. They already merged. So I just stretch it out, y'all, because I don't have the average head. My head is big and long. So I'm gonna just stretch it out and put it on, and we're gonna unbox the hair. I do not pull my cap up all the way up to the edge line of my hair. I leave my edges released from the glue. I don't put any glue up in my hairline. So that's why you see the cap starting a little bit further back. And then I take a little foundation or concealer. This is just some old CoverGirl concealer that I don't use. And I just mark out where my leave out is so that I don't touch it, so that I don't lay any tracks on my hair that I'm trying to leave out. And then when it's time to cut this open, I got tracks where it don't need to be. So I just put a little marker around where my leave out will be, and that'll guide me on what not to touch. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can see it enough to know not to go right there. And I just take it up and around, all the way around through where I have this section sectioned out for my leave out. My little drawing is not perfect, y'all, so please don't judge. I took my part so far back. I mean, it's gonna be a deep part. This is supposed to be a beginner friendly video, so just in case it's your first time doing a quick weave, which I doubt it is, just in case though, I want to show you what all I use. I use a blow dryer. You don't need the comb part. This is just what I had on here from when I washed and blow dried my hair. But you're gonna need a blow dryer. That's to dry the tracks once you lay it with the glue. I lay it with the glue, but for extra hold, I use some type of spritz or holding spray, like a Got to Be glue, whatever your favorite type of holding spray is, use that. Right now, I just have Pump It Up spritz along with my bonding glue. I have edge control just to swoop whatever little hairs is left out when I'm done. You're gonna need some concealer or a marker. Makeup is the best bet just to mark out your little section so you know not to lay your tracks. A bonding cap, I suggest that you use two just for extra protection so glue does not seep through and get on your hair. Rat tail comb just to part and comb my hair. You're gonna need a pair of scissors to cut the wefts, to cut the tracks. And then for styling at the end, I have my hot comb to hot comb my leave out, as well as a flat iron for styling. And now that the foundation is set, let's unpackage this hair and get started on the style. So the full install is in. I've already kind of parted my leave out. I started to see where I want to part it. I think I might frame it a little bit more around here, like send it a little deeper than just straight up like that. But this is all I have for y'all tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna style it up, which will be a couple seconds for y'all, several hours for me. I will fully style it. I have plans tomorrow with my mom. We have a lunch date. So the whole next scene that y'all gonna see with me when I finish my hair, I will be at my mom's house. So the whole scenery gonna change. I'm about to clean up this hair room and everything now. Big tip that I want to suggest when ordering hair from Amazon or like cheaper vendors, should I say, not going to like the high-end luxury bundle dealers. Is go 2 to 4 inches past where you want your hair to fall. So I wanted my hair to fall at like a 22-inch, right, you know, under boob area, mid back, right up in here past the shoulder, so a little length but not too long. I cut it kind of like in layers, and I drawed it up to where I want it to be. The reason I do that is they're gonna give you a good 2 to 4 inches of that bottom spiral that's been sitting and matting up. I don't know why it does that, but something about Amazon here, when I order curl patterns, it can be this one, Brazilian, deep wave, it's gone, that whole like bottom 4 inches is just very straggly. So off rip, I go ahead and cut it. If I wanted my hair to fall at a 26-inch, I would have got like a 28-inch or even went up to 30, because normally I trim off those ends immediately. And so right up in here is when where you start to see the fullness again. But as you can see, this is what I cut off, and I'm glad I did leave this here and I missed this part so you can see what I'm talking about. This whole maybe 3 inches of the bottom is just straggly. It's not as full and luscious. So that's my tip. Go a little bit longer than where you want it so that you can just cut those ends and get the length that you want as well as the fullness all the way through. These curls up here got a drop. I've been playing with these, and of course this spiral wasn't as tight as the shorter spiral, so it's already falling how I want it to fall. I'm gonna put some more layers in it tomorrow as far as a bang, straighten my leave out, do a little something with what's left up here. I almost said baby hairs, but it's very absent. Yeah, we're gonna come back and finish in just a second. So I made it to Florida, to my parents' house, and of course forgot all about this video that I had started filming before I left. So this is me just pulling a few clips from my upcoming Florida vlog so you guys can see how the hair turned out once I cut the layers into it and it was fully styled. This hair gave, you would never think that it was $120 for 4 bundles. It was so pretty. It held a really nice curl. It gave everything that I needed it to give for the event while I was home. Should you all decide to try this look at home, any additional details you may need are linked down below. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.